Rukundo Ivan is my name. I work with MRT IT Pix Limited. It is an IT-based company in Uganda. We have a lot of collaborations with palliative care. Basically, there is an Empower Care app that is already in process. Now there is also the elderly care monitoring and support system. Yeah, that I was presenting right now. Basically, we just want to integrate the health sector to the digital world. As the world is going further, we really need the IT world to, integrating IT to the health sector. Our interest is reducing the time of delivery, or patient to doctor relationship. We just want to strengthen that. And now with the systems that we are building right now, the innovations that are in stock, the ones that are coming in package, we really need to integrate the reporting time. We have to give timely reports of patients. For example, a patient could be in a rural setting, like Africans. We have so many remote areas, and that's where palliative care is not so much best. So in this way, we have to bridge the gap of long distances. The bracelet that we have developed, the elderly care monitoring and support system, it is going to help patients, basically the elders, who are not too much into who cannot help themselves on timely reports, to give feedback to give timely reports to doctors. Yes, the funding, we hope for the African Palliative Care and government of Uganda, and where this bracelet is going to be integrated. Really, the main target of this bracelet is for people in low-income resource settings. So we do not really want to press a burden on the purchasing power of them. So we are spearheading for donors, so that in the due process we can get a way of extending a hand to reach out the elderly in need. Yes.